Damn, too bad I wasn't recording that.
Come on.
Man, are you ready, Greg?
Yeah.
Alright. He tricked me back again. Alright, now sit down. The professional Sarah the Boomba.
Watch this.
Why you keep recording me?
Man, weird.
Alright, go like this so Greg can catch it. Then in the chair.
I trust it.
No, dude, just come on. I'm gonna live it over here so I don't hit that. Good boy. Oh, put that song now.
Yo, we should put that song like Sir the Boom, whatever.
Yo, come on, don't fight it.
Do it like spot time.
No, come on here.
Anthony, you mad?
Yeah, you did it 5 times. Mike, so did that.
No, I'm good.
All right,
Alright, who's next?
that's it.
No, someone's next,
I wanna
man.
watch that.